Designer Fashion Ltd is a trinity of nature, machine and men. A house of first-rate innovation amid abounding greenery, situated in the suburb of Dhaka. A certified LEED Platinum factory with about 60% open space, enough fresh air, native plants and surrounded by water bodies to reduce consumption of energy by about 35%. DFL utilizes daylight, energy-efficient bulbs and machinery, solar panels and air ventilation system to keep the room temperature below 30 degrees Celsius. The project uses 100% of its water by recycling and reusing wastewater, saving water by 40% and disposing absolutely 0% of waste to landfill. Designer Fashion accumulated several prestigious awards and accolades. Renowned buyers collaborate with DFL, expressing thorough confidence with it regularly. With an inexhaustible expertise in denim manufacture, DFL has an adept merchandising unit whose pre-production preparations assure the smoothest headway to absolute quality and speed in production. The management of the factory accomplishes pre-production meetings detailing an action plan. Fabrics and trims are checked and stored in the shelves designated for individual buyers. Then, patterns and markers are obtained using world-leading computer-aided solutions. Afterwards, fabric cutting takes place in bulk, ensuring optimal utilization of fabrics. The sewing section has got all special types of sewing machinery necessary to remain ahead in the contemporary denim and sportswear industry worldwide. Guaranteeing the ultimate tailoring excellence, the needle of every sewing machine goes exactly as per their measurement, precise, particular and discreet. DFL produces high-quality and diverse denim and sportswear tops and bottoms in casual and fashion ranges. DFL has a state-of-the-art washing plant capable of wet and dry processing. It has eco-sustainable laser dry process where it covers whiskers, crinkle, grinding, tagging, tying, twisting and PP replacement spray using blue sign approved chemicals and colors. It has ozone setup for ozone wash that ultimately goes for auto hanger process. The lab is an integral part of manufacturing art where random tests are carried out at different stages to decide whether the quality parameters are adequately met. Following ironing and other invariable finishing touches, the QC is done. For quality and metal-free status, each piece of apparel is subject to passing through thorough inspections. Here, at the CT-PAT enclosure, apparels are packed carefully while inspections are done to ensure the required quality. Applying contemporary technology of moisture control, Designer Fashion puts garments into dehumidified condition for a certain period in the packaging section. It provides excellent facilities for in-house inspection for its buyers. Under constant surveillance, the logistic fleet carries the export cargoes to the correct destinations on time. More than 5,000 workers live nearby, 95% of whom are female. They enjoy the ease of going to work on foot or by other green methods of transportation. Realizing the key role its workers play in its success, DFL prioritizes its workers with optimum attention. The workers are provided with health and hygiene, free medicines, childcare, maternity facilities, dining and canteen facilities. They can also roam around the green premises to pass their leisure time during tea break. Salaries are given through mobile banking service. DFL provides jobs to physically challenged persons as its social responsibility. DFL runs regular training sessions to keep its people trained and ready for effective emergency evacuations. With fire exits, auto pump and fire hydrant, DFL's firefighting preparation is of world standards. Through Workers' Participation Committee, workers' rights and responsibilities are established at the factory. A skill development program is in effect for sustainable growth of all its workers. At DFL, a contemporary effluent treatment plant is present to cleanse industrial effluents biologically. Designer Fashion gives special emphasis on corporate social responsibility. It reaches out to helping people affected by natural disasters and cold-hit people with winter clothing and blankets, as well as carrying out tree plantation program.
Designer Fashion Limited always to protect our world and also protect our customer, to giving them better service and giving them better quality product.
Designer Fashion Limited's endeavor is excellence that constitutes its core value. Its exertion is to lead the market through competitiveness, sustainable collaboration, where glowing faces join smiles in this green world.